to kick off the 2024 season here in Mattagami. Everyone's it's pretty exciting. Our first event of the year. Lots happening.
Right on. Well, I'm here with Kelly, one of the volunteers from Mattagami First Nations. Kelly, you're always there to help out, whether it's serving food or serving drinks. You're always there to add a laugh, add a story. What does it mean to have the NOWT up here at Mattagami First Nations?
Well, I find it helps the other people, like the elders and children. They get a little portion of the money too.
So there's proceeds that are brought in, of course, the tips that are added at the tip jar. Yeah. But, when it comes to inviting the NOWT into your backyard, basically, first of all, we can't thank you enough. But as a volunteer, what does it mean to you to be able to participate in the NOWT?
Oh, I enjoy what I do, like the bartending and going to help out with some of the campers too. They need firewood, and they're looking for a table to use for their campers.
Yeah.
And I do a great deal helping out with them.
Yeah. Now, being on this body of water for as long as you have, and how many years have you been here in Mattagami?
Since probably looking at maybe 35 years. I used to fish in the tournament, and then when I got asked to bartend, so I gave up the fishing.
Right on. Here. But again, it's not because of one person, two people. It's a host of characters. And on behalf of the NOWT, CFN, and everybody else involved in MFN fishing, thanks so much. As volunteers, you make this all happen, Kelly.
Yeah.
You need to work hard, be kind. What else? Be polite, and I don't know. Listen everyone else, and be friends with everyone.
We look at you as the next generation of anglers. It's very important to see you as a part of what the proceedings here at the NOWT, and of course here at Mattagami and MFN fishing. But what does it mean to you as a young angler being surrounded by all these great fishermen?
I like it. I talk to everybody. I talk about fishing and everything, what they have, what they use. Yeah, and I like it.
Do you give any pointers to your dad? Is the reason your dad's such a good angler because of you?
I think it's the reverse.
The reverse.
Yeah.
So we have an honest angler amongst us. And Sam, you mentioned that you really enjoy catching smallmouth bass. Are smallmouth bass your favorite?
To eat or to catch?
To catch.
Yeah, one of my favorites. It's walleye and a smallmouth bass.
That's a big bag. That's really a big bag. There we have it. Holy 16.97 pounds. In first place, Team 10, Team Alex. In second place, Sebastian Lazo, our good friend Alex. Guys, thanks so much. Great job. Great job. What a great weekend. Congratulations, gentlemen.
Hi everybody, so we are here with Alex and Too, Alex?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I didn't even realize that. J'ai même pas réalisé ça, excusez. So, we're gonna do something different. This is a Quebec team. We're gonna do the interview in French. Vous êtes content de votre performance aujourd'hui? Est-ce qu'il y a eu...
110% heureux de notre performance. C'est sûr que les choses ont changé, comme que c'est un spring pattern. On avait des gros dorés à des endroits qui étaient plus là aujourd'hui. Il a fallu s'adapter. On a travaillé vraiment fort. On a eu des missing bites vraiment importantes, des gros fish qui est comme ça, c'est des bites de tips, of the bait, des gone.
Avez-vous des gens que vous voulez remercier?
Tout le monde de notre entourage, puis ma blonde de m'avoir laissé venir.
Moi aussi, principalement. Ma conjointe puis mon enfant qui passe des semaines quand on est en tournoi tout seul puis qui se débrouille.
C'est quoi votre prochain tournoi?
Le prochain tournoi, ça va être Chapet.
Festival du Doré Bay James à
Parfait.
Chapet, Québec.
Faites-vous un autre tournoi dans la NOWT?
Ça la donne pas à notre horaire malheureusement. On aimerait ça avoir plus de temps pour en faire plus parce que c'est vraiment un super beau circuit. L'organisation est vraiment awesome.
Belle organisation.
Bon, ben, bonne chance les boys, puis bonne saison 2024. Félicitations encore.